area space is very spacious and it's perfectly divided into also extremely very spacious, and that is what is most perfect about the house. The room, you will easily understand that this is your master bedroom. So why exactly should you be investing over here? You see, it is highly lucrative because it sits directly in west of Hyderabad's high growth IT corridor, paying high tech tenant market. Let's also understand about the builder. So the builder is known for modern architecture, eco-friendly standards and high quality execution. They operate across all the major cities. So here's presenting DSR Altitude by DSR Developers. If you were looking to upgrade your lifestyle for long-term investment, then hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of DSR Altitude by DSR Developers, which is located in Osman Nagar, Kollur, Hyderabad. But before starting, this is what the surrounding is going to look like. So your marketing office is present right here and your land parcel is right here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Firstly, let's understand the project, which is constructed on 7 acres of land parcel featuring 5 towers with 3 basement ground and 32 floors, which also includes your 3 BHK premium residences. Coming over to your amenities part of the project comes the curated set of lifestyle amenities, which is going to include your grand clubhouse, your swimming pool area, your multi-purpose sports, kids play area and a lot more. Now, if you were planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyer series. So why exactly should you be watching this? Many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? Sometimes after possession, you will have leakage, construction quality related issues. Sometimes you don't even know what liability is. So as a home buyer, it's very important to know all your legal rights. Well, we have just explained them in easy to understandable manner and the link for it is in the description below. Let's understand the location as well. So the project is located on Cyber Road, Osman Nagar, Tellapur, Hyderabad. So you see from here, your Nehru Outer Ring Road, your University of Hyderabad and even your Aparna Neo Mall is all just connected by. Let's also understand the distance connectivity. So Nehru Outer Ring Road is just 2 kilometers away from here. Your University of Hyderabad is just 5.7 kilometers away and your Aparna Neo Mall is also just 7.2 kilometers away from here. A project that is column-free in structural span and immense floor-to-ceiling volume. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas. Today we will be doing the sample flat tour for DSR Altitude for 3 BHK and the configuration for that is going to be 2277. Let's get this video started. Now, as soon as you enter, you can notice that your living area space is very spacious and it's perfectly divided into 3 different column sets, which means that you can add your dining piece in the center as per you like. And then if you notice the height ceiling of the house as well, it is given just perfectly, which means there can be a lot of space for adding your cabinet storage as well. If you look at the flooring as well, it is Italian marble flooring, which again adds luxurious to the house. And then if you notice on this corner separately, the wall is divided for your puja corner, which is also designed perfectly. So you have your lighting switch there as well. And if you notice, your other space of the living area is also designed so perfectly that you can even add an extra wash basin on the corner. You can common washroom area space. So this is your common washroom area space that I was talking about. It is also extremely very spacious and it is designed perfectly. You have your space for toiletry and your wash basin. This whole living area and your dining area space perfectly still added. Next, you also must have noticed that you have your open balcony area space on this corner. Now, if you look, your balcony area space also is extremely very spacious. You have proper wooden flooring given over here. You have your drainage unit also attached. And because the balcony space is massive, you can add your couches, your flower pots as per your choice. You have this railing unit also attached for your safety reasons. Now, moving on into your kitchen area space, as you can see, this is also extremely very spacious and that is what is most perfect about the house. So you have this whole centerpiece corner left wherein if you want you can add extra small table as well. Your wash basin comes on that corner, and then on this corner comes your window system unit. Now this space of the kitchen is still left where you can add your electrical appliances, your fridge also can come. Again, the kitchen also comes with your utility balcony area. Now if you look at the utility balcony area, it's actually very spacious, and one separate corner is given on this side where you can add your washing machine. Even 2 washing machines can fit here. Your laundry system can fit here. You have tap water access. You also have your drainage unit. Coming over to your first bedroom area space, just directly opposite to your kitchen area, this is what the bedroom area space is going to look like. So your bedding can come in the centerpiece. You can even move it a little more close to your window. Now when you look at the windows, you have 2 window system. One is on this corner and the other one is present on that side. Then now for your wardrobe as well, you still have a lot of space, which means you can either extend it forward or even pull it close to your washroom area space. It also comes with your attached washroom, which is again very spacious. You have your proper toiletry units placed. Your shower system can be divided by adding glass partitioning. You also have your exhaust fan. Now coming over to your second bedroom space, just directly opposite, this is what the bedroom area space for your second one is going to look like, a little more spacious comparatively. So in this, the difference is you have this whole walk-in area space in the start, which means you can add a long, extra table for your study purpose here, or an extra wardrobe or dressing table, and you have your window right in front of it. And then you will also notice that beside the bed also you actually have a walk pathway where, if you want, you can add a adjustable sliding door and convert it into your walk-in closet. And then in front of it, you will find your attached washroom. Now for this, if you look at the structure, it is a little different. Your washroom is divided perfectly for your toiletry and your shower system. And then you have your long exhaust fan unit. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours. We also give you EMI, down payment exclusive details. You also get the pros and cons of the project. Now, if you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you just have to click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, and you can easily download your e-brochure and your pricing sheets. Now going back to what I was talking about, your master bedroom. As soon as you enter the room, you will easily understand that this is your master bedroom. So firstly, you have this side of walk-in area space, and then beside your bedding area space also you have walk-in area space, wherein if you want, you can add extra closet, you can add extra drawers, and right next to your window as well, you can add extra table and chair. And of course, the room also comes with a separate set unit area dedicated for your closet or your dressing area, which is also designed perfectly. And again, in front of it, you will find your attached washroom, which the tiling and flooring is unique and different, makes the washroom look much better. Then here also again, your shower system can be partitioned by adding your glassware, and your toiletries separated. You have your drainage and your exhaust unit. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about this project. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.